Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Leanna if you're new, and I'm back with my sister. And today we're gonna do
5-minute makeup challenge.
Yes, and what does that entail?
Doing our makeup in 5 minutes.
So today we're doing the 5-minute makeup challenge, which means we're gonna do a full face of makeup in 5 minutes. I'm pretty nervous because I've never tried to do my makeup in 5 minutes before. It usually takes me about 40. How long does it take you?
Depends. Like 5 minutes to 30. Or sometimes an hour.
Okay, but like a full face.
A full face? Probably like 20 minutes. Now I'm nervous. I wasn't nervous before, but now I am.
So we set the timer at 6 minutes, so we have like 1 minute to gear up. But our hands are empty, and we're not gonna cheat. This feels like the few minutes before an online exam opens.
Ew. Oh wait, I never had that though.
Okay, this feels like the few minutes before a huge online sale.
Oh my god, no, the eBay bid.
Oh, okay, ready? And my hands empty. Okay, go! Ah! Oh my god! Oh my god. Okay, so I'm filling in my eyebrows, but I might not
What
have
do you
time.
have to narrate to?
Well, you can't just stay silent the entire time.
We can just put like music.
Music?
Like Mario Kart music.
Oh my god, no, I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Oh no, never mind.
Okay, gonna do my eyebrows freakishly fast because I want to have time for eyeshadow. Yeah, so sometimes usually Irene only does like eyebrows and mascara, but I was like, no, otherwise you will be able to do it in 5 minutes and then it's not gonna be fun. And
My
now
hands are shaking. I don't like that.
Okay. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's already been 40 seconds. Okay, and then I'm gonna use brow gel.
You know, I saw this video of Lisa Eldridge doing her makeup in 5 minutes and she was so calm.
Really?
The entire time. And she got it done with time to spare.
The entire thing?
Well, I think it's like a natural look.
Oh my god, oh my god! Yeah. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, holy shit. Holy shit! Why am I just making this super... Oh my god, I put too much blush on. Oh my god. Okay, so it's... Oh.
I'm blending my hair into my eyeshadow.
There's more blush on my left cheek. Uh-huh, uh-huh. 320, 320.
Okay, I'm just gonna use this skin tint.
Oh my god, holy shit, holy shit. Okay.
Foundation takes forever to blend.
Okay. 314. I usually like taking my time on the eyeshadow, but we can't do that today. We just can't. There's no time to waste.
How is it already 3 minutes? Oh my
And then I'm gonna take a darker brown and do a crease. Years and years of makeup doing has built up to this moment. Am I fast enough? We'll find out. Okay, blend, 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 blend. Blend. Okay, so we're halfway through. I think I'm doing pretty good. Oh my god, where's my highlight? Oh my god, I don't... I can't even finish my sentence. Okay, okay. It'll be okay, it'll be okay, it'll be okay. Uh-huh, uh-huh. I think there might be like a 3-minute makeup challenge that some people were doing.
I
was like
I just crawled from the grave.
maniacal laughter. Dude, when I like play games, I don't play games very often, but when I do, I kind of get like really into it and kind of like a little maniacal.
Oh yes. I know exactly what you're talking about.
Oh my god, 1 minute left, 1 minute left. 1 minute 43 left. Okay, and then eyeliner.
Eyeliner? Oh my god, you're crazy. I'm shaking. Oh my god, I've never looked nastier. Except that one time you did my makeup.
Oh, thanks. Okay, I don't have time to do the line. I just did the outer wing. Okay, and then, holy shit. Okay, mascara's on. Lipstick, holy shit, I'm literally shaking. Okay, 51 seconds left on the clock. Gloss? Okay, I think there's time to fix my eyeliner. Oh. How are you doing?
Alright.
Really?
Yeah. I feel like you're just making all the content and I'm just here silent and brooding.
Oh my god, okay, 14 seconds left. Let's blend the eyeshadow a little more. Nose contour?
Okay. 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, we haven't looked at each other this entire time.
Oh, really? Oh,
So,
just tell it. Okay. Okay.
okay.
Oh, I mean, I feel like you just look the same. I don't like how I look.
This is how my look turned out. It's honestly not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. I mean, I definitely wish I had more time, but you know, like, it's not bad. I feel like I didn't really like royally mess up on anything. Even the eyeliner's not too bad either.
I should like it better than, than your usual.
Is it because it's more natural?
Yeah.
What do you think of yours?
I don't like it. I wish I went more subtle on the eyeshadow, but you can't even see it. You can't even see it on camera. I don't like how it looks.
Why?
I don't know. Whatever. I think I just need more coverage.
I think you did a good job. I mean, I feel like I wish I had more time on my brows because it kind of looks a little messy, but you know, not bad. Okay, so we're just gonna take some time to like fix our makeup looks and make them look nice. That 5 minutes passed by so fast.
It did. That's scary. I felt like an old lady. Like, oh my god.
We're gonna do the no makeup challenge next.
What's that?
Or no, not no makeup, no mirror.
Oh, I'm just like,
No
is that a
makeup.
challenge? You just sit there without makeup?
No mirror makeup challenge. So I guess that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!